This is a video of my new Tuff Shed. It consists of a T800 that's 12 by 16 and then two lean-tos, one on each side, that is 6 by 16. So I have really three buildings here put together to make a little barn. This is the one that I put my store my ladders and scaffolding and stuff. The other one, I have four-wheelers and kids' motorcycles, things like that, tools. In the middle one is a little work area where I store all my tools and work on stuff. It has a little loft. Store my gasoline in here. And all in all, it's exactly what I wanted. Looks nice, works really nice, and I'm proud of it. Thanks for watching.